I'm still waiting for that spring, so hopefully the sun will kiss Scotland very soon. I'm waiting for that. Now, if you clicked on this video, you're probably very intrigued by the title. I wanted to share today a beauty haul with you. And how can you receive beauty products for free? And the answer here is very simple. Influencer. Now, I'm sure if you're a beauty junkie, a beauty blogger, a beauty YouTuber, you are already a member of Influencer, but if you are not, and if you don't know what this is, what are you waiting for? To give you a short description of Influencer, Influencer is basically a discovery platform and a review site that enables consumers to discover new launches, to read reviews for those specific products, so this way they make more informed purchases. And they also send free boxes with full-size beauty items, and what they ask in return from you is for you to write a review, you know, to share your experience with that specific, you know, beauty product or beauty products, and also to share that, you know, what you received with your friends on social media. And that's it. And that's exactly how I did in this specific post on my Instagram, when I received a box filled with bourgeois lipsticks for the new matte lipstick range. I was actually waiting for Influencer to be available in the UK as well, because they were available only in the US and Canada in the past, you know, when they launched. And now they're available in the UK and in the Middle East as well. And I'm sure that in the future they will get just bigger and bigger and will expand to new territories, new continents as well, even though they have right now more than 4 million members. I'm actually on a beauty detox right now, beauty diet, I think I should call this, because I'm trying not to buy any new beauty products, and I've been good for 2 months and a half right now. So you can imagine that I absolutely love, you know, receiving these boxes from Influencer. So I get to try all these new products and share my experience with you guys, and also I get to know what other people, you know, that try those products think about. Okay, so I will start with Marc Jacobs. I wanted to try this brand for such a long time. In the past, I think I tried only an eyeliner that I received for free from Sephora. And also I will show you how these are packed when they come to you. So you will have some kind of booklet where basically, you know, they will talk about the product, what you received. Okay, so I have here an eyeshadow palette. This is the iconic eyeshadow palette in Provocateur. Oh, this is all nice and sleek, and also has already some fingerprints. It's more on the, I would say, mauvey cool tone side. So you have some matte in here, you have some shimmery ones. A lot of YouTubers really like these Marc Jacobs palettes, so I'm intrigued. So we'll see. And next I have a mascara. This is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. The one is very interesting on this one, and I already, you know, tried this today once, and it's very black. So I have high hopes for this. And next we have the Burberry box, and again you have some information in here. And this is the Fresh Glow Face. And again, here you have some more information about the products and how can you share, you know, your Influencer box and what you think about the product. And the first thing is this Burberry Fresh Glow Golden Radiance #2. This is a illuminating primer, face primer. Again, this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I only tried one product from Burberry in my life, and that's a matte liquid lipstick. You can see from the color that this is more like a bronzy, goldy, so this will be perfect when I'm a bit more tanned, when I want to achieve that bronzy glow. Next we have the highlighting luminous pen, and this is in Nude Radiance, so #1. So it's basically like a cream shadow. Color is actually really pretty, and this will work amazing as a highlighter as well, like, you know, a very creamy highlighter. And the next product is something that I wanted for a long time, and I'm very excited to use this. I wanted this for a long time, but it's quite expensive, so it's the Fresh Glow highlighter in #4. This is in rose gold, and you know, it's very intense, but at the same time you can actually apply just a little bit and have a really nice, more subtly glow, not super intense glow. Now moving on to the next box. This is the Yves Saint Laurent box. We have a few shades for the All Hours concealer. I got 3 shades in here, but they're more on the darker side. I have a medium one, which is called Sand, And this one, I think I will just use a lighter concealer, yeah, for this one. So I will mix it with another concealer, but also when I'm tan, I will use this on its own and we'll see how it works. I know that a lot of people love the Yves Saint Laurent concealers, so I'm excited to test this. And I also have the Tatouage Couture Matte Stain, and this is number 5, like fuchsia berry kind of color. It has that iconic Yves Saint Laurent scent. I remember when I bought Rouge pour Couture lipstick from Yves Saint Laurent, like I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, and it has the same smell, and I was like, oh, it's so luxurious. But also this applicator is really weird and really interesting at the same time. And the last thing, you guys, is again something that I don't even know for how long I wanted this product, for years, because this is a cult favorite. I'm talking about the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I'm sure you are already familiar with this product, and probably I'm the last person on YouTube to get this actually, but I'm so happy I finally have this, and that influencer sent this to me. I used it today on my face and I am obsessed. I think this is my new favorite powder. And you guys, that's it. These are just a few examples of, you know, the Vox boxes that you can get from Influencer. So I definitely encourage you to, you know, be a member, to sign up. And I mean, it's just really a pleasure. It's always fun to test new launches and to share, you know, your reviews with your audience, with your friends. You can also read reviews from other people, you know, that tested these products and see how, you know, everything worked for them. Actually, the more active you are on the platform, you know, in writing the reviews, testing these products, the more products you will get, the more products they will send to you. So it's definitely like a win-win situation. So I definitely encourage you to, you know, join Influencer, to receive all these new products and to share your opinion, you know, on them with your audience, with your friends. I will have the links and more info in the description box. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Happy February, as I said, and bye.